Okay, I'm pretty excited about the next part of the training that I'm offering for the Ultimate Recipe Card Library. I'm going to call this day 2. And in fact, if this is the first time we have met, I want to say welcome. My name is Nicholas. People can call me Nick if they would like. And this would be a part of the bonus training that I'm offering with the Ultimate Vintage Recipe Card or Recipe Library. And so day 2, I just kind of wanted to work with the files and stuff and just show you a little tip and trick of how to start building out bundles, if that makes sense to you, building out bundles with the images that are available to you in the Ultimate Vintage Recipe Library. Okay, so anyways, I'm trying to get my thoughts together here because I'm so excited about this. I'm just going to go to baked treats as an example. Okay, so when I go to baked treats, you can see here in this folder, baked treats, in the main folder here, we have a PDF folder and we have a PNG folder. Okay, so we can download this whole entire PNG folder of baked treats if we wanted to, or we can come into here and select, these are other zip files that I had probably uploaded when I created my own personal bundles, but these are all the same. Okay, and so what you see here is here's a baked treat. Let's click on this one, strawberry salad. Doesn't it sound delicious? I think it does. And then this is the back of that recipe. Okay, so we know that we need to have 02 along with 01 to have the full recipe. And so what I have already done is I've downloaded the whole PNG file folder, and I'm just going to go ahead and open that and just show you from my computer how we can start looking at these images to create other little bundles. Let's say we only wanted to combine 10 recipes for one bundle instead of all 50 of them, or we can mix and match, just different ones that we liked. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the downloadable file that I've already done. Again, you can go to the PNG and download the whole PNG folder, or you can download these individually if you like. It's totally up to you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the downloaded file that I already have. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the recipes. They're downloaded into my computer. We have baked treats, dash 50 recipes _ page, blah, blah. Again, we're paying attention to the number of 01 because they're all going to be in sequence to how I scan them. This is going to be 02, which is the back of 1, and then we have 3, 4, and we're just going down until we can find a good break. I'm going to go ahead and do this in a bundle of 10. So it looks like banana bread. We'll check to see if, okay, so a bundle of 10, because 1 and 2 are, let's go to C4. Oh, so 3 and 4 are on the same card. You have the carrot cake, and then you have the icing. So we're going to have to probably go to 12 to make a bundle or a pack of 10 of these recipes. Okay, so let's make sure 13. Nope, 13 is a different recipe from 12. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of these here, which is 1 through 12. I'm just going to copy these really quick just as a cautionary measure here, okay? And then the easiest way that I've found to do this is to then create another folder. So I'm on a Mac. You would need to know how to use your Windows to create another folder. So I'm just going to go ahead and let's see if I can do this here. Create a new folder, and I'm going to raise this up so we can see here. I'm at the bottom here. I'm going to name my folder as baked treat -10 _ 1. Okay, so then I'm going to go into this folder. I'm going to click on this folder here and open that up. And then I'm going to paste the 12 items into that. So you may be looking at things from this view. Let me go ahead and like I said, again, I'm on a Mac computer. So I'm going to have, different options to where I can view items in a list here, or in icon mode, which that's what this is. I can do it in gallery mode, which that's what this is, or I can do it in, I think they call this a gallery list mode. But just for simplicity's sake, I'm going to do it in icon mode, and you can see I have 10 different recipes in this bundle. All right, so the next step I'm going to show you is what I'm going to do with these 10 and converting them into a PDF. And I'm going to use a very simple website, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you that now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you in Canva how we can go ahead and rearrange and create these vintage recipe cards into a PDF or JPG or anything of that sort. I'm choosing Canva in this case because there is a large audience of users, of the community that I have, as well as other users out there that are just gravitating more to the most powerful tool to date for some basic designing, and that's Canva. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and use this. There's other ways in which I may show you one other way on using a website called SmallPDF or ilovepdf.com, smallpdf.com or ilovepdf.com. But I think in the basics to keep things, basic and uniform and everything, I'm going to go ahead and use Canva to show you how we can take those 10 vintage recipes and place them on a page. Okay, first of all, what we need to do is we need to upload those PNG files. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you how we can do that. You're going to open up Canva, and we're going to go ahead and upload those images right here. So if you go to the top right hand corner, you go to upload, and you can hit start from a file. Or you can also go over here, if you have it on the left hand side, you can see upload, and you can upload here as well. You can see some of the other actually that's upload. You can see some of the other designs I've uploaded in the past, and there's my beautiful wife at the laundromat. Just a little shout out to her. And then here's the upload button. But I think it's going to be easiest to do this going here to the top right hand corner where it says upload. And let's go ahead and browse for those files. And you can see here, we have those images ready to upload. I'm just going to go ahead and select them all, holding my left mouse button, highlighting all those, and I'm going to go ahead and hit open and upload them into Canva. Alrighty, so I'm here. I'm going to go ahead and create a new project. So we're going to create a design. For easy's sake, I'm going to go ahead and look for the US letter document. I'm going to go ahead and go to my uploads. And you can see I have those recipes all in nice order here. Beautiful PNG images, 8.5 by 11. And up here I'm just going to go ahead and title this Bake Treats, if I could spell it right, 10-pack. Okay, and we can do a -1 just for naming's sake. Okay, and then all we're going to do is drag them over onto our document sheet here. You can line those up, 2 to a page. Makes it nice. Let's see, we'll do position. We'll do the middle. Whoops. Keeping things in the bounders. Bounders, is that a word? The bounding box borders. Okay. And we can write like little documents here. Just trying to think what we could write in here. Like maybe recipe 1. Or actually, let's just keep this uniform. Bake treats 1. And I'm just going to go ahead and let's go ahead and duplicate this page. So that way I can reuse this and do bake treat 2 through 3. So we take this one out, this one out. Go ahead and go back to our uploads. Actually, we're just going to change this to 2 because if you remember right, there was this recipe here, the carrot cake, which had 2 sides. That for the front and this one for the back. And we're going to go ahead and duplicate that, and then let's do bake treat 3-4, and then let's do another duplicating one. So we have 3 and 4. Let's do 5 and 6 and add this recipe here. We'll go ahead and duplicate this page again, and then we're going to do 6 and 7. It's appearing that my math may have been off a little bit, which is okay, because all we have to do then is upload another recipe, which I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick, and that would be number 13. So I'm just going to drag that over here and drop that in there, number 13, which is actually our number 10. And that did have a backside to that. So we're going to delete this one. Delete this one. We're going to add 10. This, add 10. And there we have it. We have a 10-pack of our recipe cards that are from the Ultimate Vintage Recipe Library. Okay. Now, from here, I'm just going to go ahead and show you really quick. If you are not familiar with Canva, or if you didn't know about this function and feature of how to download these in a PDF, I'm going to go to Share. We're going to go down to Download. I can select this as as PNG, which is the file type that's suggesting. But I want to go to PDF Print. Okay, best for printing. And so I'm just going to go ahead and select that, best for digital use. If you're a pro member, you can do the CMYK, best for professional printing, or you can do the RGB, which is what you get. Okay. Just want to confirm that it is 7 pages. And in this case, what I may do is I may create another sales page if I was listing this on Etsy, like, hey, check out my other listings, and then I would give the listing links. But I'm going to go ahead and share that later on with you in another training video, okay? So, but to make this simple and easy, I'm going to select all this. I have the PDF for print. I'm going to flatten the PDF for print, and that is because it is going to give it a more compressed file size, okay? And that's what we want to do, all right? So gives you, converts your design with multiple layers into one PDF. It ensures that all your design elements are printed. So it's just it's a good function and feature to give it for the flatten part of it. Let's see. We could use crops and bleeds if we wanted to, but we don't have to. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit download and start that process. And then we'll check it out here in a second as a PDF. Okay, we have our PDF already downloaded. Let's go ahead and check it out. I'm going to hit, and there we have it, my friends. Our PDF. It has the recipes in it, so people can cut them out if they wanted to. They can print them. They can do all kinds of things. It's all in PDF form. Very simple, very basic. You can always make this, mild to wild to design it the way you would want. Maybe you want to shrink the recipes. You want to add more recipes to a page. But most of the customers that I've had in the past, and that purchase these, they're totally okay with this. They're totally okay. Play with it. Just wanted to show you the option. Again, Canva is a great option to use to create these pages, and I hope you enjoy it. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. I look forward to sharing my next tips and tricks or training session in day 3. And so I look forward to sending that out to you very, very soon. Hope you have a good one, and we'll speak to you again very soon.